welcome to Logo Workshop. Today, we're designing a fresh and memorable logo for a burger brand called Star Burger. From idea generation to the final touches, I'll guide you through each step of the logo creation process. Let's get started. Every logo starts with a clear understanding of the brand. For Star Burger, we want something simple, fun, and recognizable. The goal is to incorporate a star as a standout element to represent quality and excellence. Once we have the idea, it's time to sketch. I have already sketched it. If you want, you can sketch using pen paper or Photoshop. Now that our sketch is finalized, let's create the vector version to make the logo scalable and ready for various applications. Let's get started. Welcome to Adobe Illustrator. I'll use simple shapes like star, circles and rectangles, refining each element to bring out the burger icon with clean, smooth lines. I am speeding up the illustration part so as not to waste your precious time. This free time, can you subscribe my channel? This is the final vector, and after vector I select this 3 concept for the Star Burger. Here are 3 variations of the logo. Now I will move to the coloring process. First I explore the color in Adobe Color. After that I select this 3 color for the logo. Now I will apply the color. This is the final look, and out of all the logos I just choose one. Comment which one you like. And there you have it, the Star Burger logo, complete and ready to represent the brand. Thanks for watching this logo design process. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more design inspiration. See you in the next video.